Well, here we go. Another knife. This time, it's the Boker fire ant. Great little knife. It's not a Germany made one, but it's still Boker, which makes it good quality. What's nice about this one is, it's got a flipper. If I get it the right way around. How's that? Good looking knife. I think it's a good looking knife. But what's nice about it is, it's got a clip. And what's even better is the clip can be removed. You turn it around, and on this side, you've got a pair of tweezers. This in turn can be stored in either side with a clip being placed in that side now. So if you carry right-handed or left-handed, it'll suit you. It comes very sharp. I mean, it's some people would say a scary sharp, and I think that's a pretty good description. Get one. It's a really good, not too expensive knife. Heini haines sell it, and it's a smashing knife. Boker fire ant. Great little knife. Get out there, get yourself one. Alright, bye now.